Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some WeatherTech floor liners for the front row of Ford F-150 trucks. Let's get into it. All right, I love WeatherTech products. They are the first thing I buy anytime I get a new vehicle to help protect the vehicle, the floor in particular. It's just a great product, made in the USA, lifetime warranty, all that good stuff. Great product, relatively inexpensive way to protect the interior of your truck, SUV, van, whatever you may have. So WeatherTech liners, they are sold by the row. Sometimes they do have packages that combine rows together, but for the most part, you're buying a row. So this is gonna be for the front row of the Ford F-150. So this is going to be, looks like for the driver's side, so we do have our door sill right here. This is going to be for our passenger side right here. And the great thing about WeatherTech liners, it's a laser measured, precise fit of that footwell on your vehicle. So it fits all the little nooks and crannies. You can see all the little contours that are in the floor there are designed in these mats. Now the other thing that I love about the design is that they actually put some thought into how water, mud, things are going to flow once they come off of your shoes, your boots, or whatever, and hit the mat. And so there's all these raised edges around the entire perimeter of the mat, both of them. And then you can see there's these little ridges right here that lead down into this main reservoir, which sits deeper than the rest of the mat. And so it's really designed for everything to flow into this reservoir right here and collect and then dry out, rather than seep off the edge, which can happen with a lot of OEM floor mats, as well as a lot of other aftermarket mats out there as well. So they really put a lot of thought and design into how everything's going to flow on this mat. Now, because these are laser measured, vehicle specific, you're going to make sure that you get your year, make, model correct, as well as answer some of those additional questions that may come up in terms of if you have bucket seats, bench seats, if you've got the middle console and things like that. Sometimes if you don't have a center console, you can get what's called an over the hump, and essentially what they do is it's two like this, and there's a little piece that goes over that middle hump between the two seats that gives you coverage in that area as well. But in our case, for our F-150, we just have the two separate wells like this, and this is going to work well for that. Now you can see here on the back, we do have these clips right here, which line up with your factory posts on the floor, on the driver's side and on the passenger side. It looks like they do give us their tech grips as well. This is gonna be if your vehicle does not have the floor post, particularly on the passenger side. I think a lot of the driver's side pretty much have them. But on the passenger side, sometimes you're not gonna have post locations built into the floor, and they give you these little grippers. I'll take them out here for you to look at, that have these really sharp spikes that are gonna grip into the carpet floor, and then you can snap them in right here. And so usually what's involved with this, you'll line it up, you want to take a tool like a screwdriver or something blunt and snap it into place, and then you install the liner that way. So these are going to be a really simple install. You're just going to take out the mats that are there, slide these in place, make sure everything's attached to your floor post, and you're good to go. Now when these get dirty, muddy, salty, whatever, take them out, hose them off, maybe give them a little bit of scrub with some soap if it needs it, put them back in, you're good to go. So it's a really nice way to protect the value of your vehicle. Now we have these in the black color. You can also get them in gray or tan, and sometimes they offer the cocoa color as well. Really depends on if the vehicle has that or not. It's really designed to match the different interior colors that you can get in your truck. Now, like I mentioned, WeatherTech, they are made in USA. A lot of their products are made right in their factory in Chicago. They're really passionate about being made in USA, so they're not just one of these companies that say made in USA, but really everything's, you know, sourced and found overseas, and then they can technically call it made in USA because they do some of the process in the US. They are passionate about creating jobs and building things here in the US, and so you can be confident that this is a true made in USA product. These also have a lifetime warranty from the factory, so you're gonna be protected for the long haul with these. All right, so that just about does it for the unboxing of these floor liners. Now, if you're looking for any WeatherTech products or any other equipment to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.